Hot weather continues across the valley today and really for most of the next 7 days. We may see a cool down by late next week, but high temperatures in most of the valley back in the 90s again tomorrow and the weekend and early next week. Some parts of Starr County, the upper valley might be right around 100 degrees most days. So could be up against some record highs some of these days coming up. Small chances for a shower, small, really small, continue on Friday during the daytime, but most days again look dry. We could see a couple showers late next week as a cold front finally approaches and knock the heat out for a while, but that's about a week away. So until then, hot weather is around. The First 1.5 Doppler network not showing too many showers today, and what showers there are really not showery. They're kind of just sprinkly. There's a couple sprinkles maybe fading away north of Edinburgh, but you don't really see anything on the radar, and it's probably going to be quiet. I mean, there might be a little sprinkle between now and sunset in spots, but essentially just a few puffy clouds out there. Temperatures, look at this, 100 Rio Grande City, 96 McAllen, 95 Edinburgh, 89 is dropped back to 89 in Brownsville. But a hot day across the valley, and it's probably going to be about the same tomorrow and then maybe a degree or so hotter over the weekend. So no relief coming yet, and the humidity's been rising, so dew points are up, heat index is up. How hot it feels like 106 in Rio Grande City, 101 in Harlingen and Raymondville, and even 93 the apparent temperature at South Padre Island. Any football games this evening? Well, about the same forecast today, and even for the Friday games, they're virtually identical evenings. Temperatures around 85 or so, give or take a little bit at 7:30, and then falling slowly through the 80s with light southeasterly winds, about 5 to 10 miles per hour or so during game time. So not much wind, but a lot of humidity and some dry weather around too. Satellite radar still shows, you can kind of see a little wave of some moisture coming in. It's a very weak wave of moisture, but enough to spark a couple sprinkles today, but not enough to really get too many showers going. So rain chances are small, about 10% if even that high in some areas tomorrow, and then dropping to about 0 on Saturday and Sunday. So most areas by far will be dry tomorrow. Future track tonight shows that by midnight just dry weather. Tomorrow starts off with mostly sunny skies. It's possible there might be a patch of fog or two in some spots of Starr County, northern Hidalgo County, western Willacy County, and some of the rural areas, but pretty quiet otherwise. Spotty showers are possible during the daytime. You see Future Track tries to generate a couple in the afternoon hours over the lower valley, and that's probably about it. Your better chance of the 10% rain chance is in about the lower half of the valley tomorrow near the coast. And then Saturday is a sunny day. Future Track tries to show maybe a sprinkle, but I think that's overdone. But Saturday overall looks like a sunny, hot day, and Sunday looks just about as sunny and as hot too. So your First 1.570 forecast, hot, 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 and then, oh, something different. Yeah, highs in the 90s most everywhere Friday through Wednesday with sunshine most of the time. About a 10% chance for a shower tomorrow, and then just sunny and hot other days. But we could be up against some record highs, maybe tying or breaking some record highs some of these days. Nighttime lows in the 70s, but we will track a cold front arriving in Texas next Wednesday. Should get to the valley sometime on Thursday. So that's why Thursday's temperatures finally cool off. Instead of 90s, we might be talking about 80s and lower humidity. But that's next Thursday. It's still a week away.
That's sweater weather for me. 80s. No, I'm kidding. Winter Texans are laughing at me right now.
Yes.
They wear shorts when it's like 40 degrees.
I think I wear shorts all the time, even when it was snowing up north.
I've seen them. All right. Thanks a lot, Alan. Well, it's